Hi, welcome into a new episode of Chef Kamila. Today I'm going to show you how to cook stir fry with rice noodles. Stir fry is an ancient dry cooking method where small pieces of vegetables are cooked over high heat in a wok. To make this dish you can use tofu, rice noodles or any vegetables. The great thing about this dish is that you can turn any ingredients into a delicious mouth-watering dish. To make this dish I'm going to use oyster mushrooms that I'm going to cut into thin slices. Pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to chop into small pieces. Measure out 150 grams of green peas. Wrap the natural tofu into a paper towel or a tablecloth and squeeze the water out. Soak the rice noodle in a plain water for 60 minutes or overnight and keep it in the fridge. Have 1 complete chili pepper prepared. I'm going to cut the carrot in half and then into small moon-sized pieces. Cut the onion into thin slices and shallots into small rings. At the end of stir frying, I will add tamari and also a mixture of shredded ginger with water and mixed in a blender. And of course I'm going to use high smoking point oil for frying. To stir fry the dish, heat a wok or a large frying pan over high heat. Once hot, add a bit of oil and stir fry the ingredients in the following order. Start from tofu, fry it until golden brown and remove it from the wok once done. Add a bit more oil if needed and stir fry the onions with a pinch of salt. Let the onions fry for a minute or so. Add a whole chili pepper, then mushrooms, carrots, green peas, garlic and curry powder and stir fry for about 5 minutes. Add soaked and drained rice noodles and mix them in a way that they touch the surface of the wok. Let it fry for 2 minutes. Once ready, return tofu to wok and stir again. Then add ginger liquid and tamari sauce and stir fry. Finish with green onions. Our stir-fry vegetables with rice noodles are ready. Originally, stir-fry is done in a cast iron wok over a gas stove, so it reaches really high temperature and it cuts the time to half of what I've done. As you could see on the video, I covered the wok to allow the vegetables cook in steam. Otherwise, they would just dry out without being cooked. So just bear it in your mind when you do it my way. And let's reward ourselves by tasting our dish. It's really great. The lime and coriander brings the flavor up, and it's a really Asian style. I really love it. You can check my previous videos for goulash soup or the Valentine's hearts here. For more inspiring recipes, you can visit my website www.chefkamila.com, or you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye now!